How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Phantom Wallet and sign in with your particular account. Make sure that you have selected your right wallet. Now once you are in, simply you're gonna need to click on the send button, and once you are in the send option, you just need to select your particular coin that you have. If you have Ethereum, Solana or Bitcoin, then what you need to do is to simply open up any third-party exchange, because right now Phantom Wallet does not support the withdraw to your bank account. So simply go for the deposit option and search for the same coin that you are sending from your Phantom Wallet. Then you just need to make sure to select the right address. In this case, I will simply select Bitcoin and make sure to copy your wallet address. Now once you have copied the wallet address, you just need to paste it just like so, and then click on the next button. Now you need to enter the amount, but make sure to enter small amount first of all, and once you enter the small amount, you need to make sure to verify the transaction. And once you have verified the transaction, you can then send some large amount into your Binance or any other third-party crypto exchange. Now once you have received it, you just gonna need to go to the P2P exchange, and then you just need to make sure to click on USDT and select the same coin that you have received. Now you need to simply click on the sell option and make sure to click on the payment and select your particular withdrawal method. In this case, let's go for the bank transfer, and then you just need to select the particular trader that is giving you the best rate. Now once you selected that, you're just gonna need to enter the quantity, select your particular payment method, which is going to be the bank transfer. Enter the name, your bank card number, your bank name, and your account opening branch. Now once you do so, you're just gonna need to proceed further and simply click on the place order on the bottom, and make sure to read the terms and condition and the time that is going to arrive within the given time of that particular trader. Hope this helped. This is how you can withdraw money from Phantom Wallet.